Mm. Good morning, students. This morning, our heading is Meaning and Objective and Types of Adventure Sports. It is very interesting chapter, and as we all are surrounded by our natures, some we are living nearby forest, some we are living nearby rivers, and even we are surrounded by national parks. Meaning of adventure sports. What is the meaning of adventure sports? Adventure sports are usually and are also popular known as extreme sports. They are known as extreme sports. Why they are known as extreme sports? Because when we are climbing, mountain climbing, it is so extreme and sometimes we feel fear also. As a matter of fact, adventure sports are usually outdoor sports which involves intense and sometimes life-threatening action which create an adventurous atmosphere. Individuals who are involved in adventure sports compete against nature because itself adventure sports is within the nature. Adventure sports are sports which are related to unlimited thrill, unlimited thrill, excitement, entertainment, and adventure. Individuals take part in such sports for possession or passion and entertainment and due to strong urge for thrill adventure. These sports are not just for fun, but they have a number of benefits also. Adventure sports, a sense of exhilaration, motivation, and confidence. It also motivates nature students. You know, nature always motivates and increase our self confidence also. Increase our self confidence. These sports help participants lead their life in a better way. There are motivated and hence develop the courage to face the various obstacles in life. Definition of adventure sports. Definition of adventure sports. Adventure sports are those sports that involve extraordinary speed, scaling, height, physical exertion, and death defying stunts. And these sports are various sports are there in adventure sports. For example, rock climbing, mountaineering, rafting, scuba diving, trekking, base jumping, skiing, hang gliding, paragliding, windsurfing, skydiving, and kayaking. So these are the various examples of adventure sports. Adventure sports can be defined as outdoor sports or activity in which the participants compete in nature in a natural environment, more against himself or herself if than against others. Adventure sports are defined as activities in which there is a high degree of risk to the participants. The definition of adventure sports is embedded in its name, as the name says about adventure sports. So, we came to know about the meaning of adventure sports, what is the meaning of adventure sports, and definition of adventure sports. Now, students, objective of adventure sports. What are the objectives of adventure sports? Objectives of adventure sports: to develop self confidence. It is very important to be with the nature, and it helps us to develop self confidence. Main objective of adventure sports: individuals who engage in adventure sports compete with themselves and therefore have a great sense of achievement because they are competing in a nature with themselves. When they reach their goal, they overcome fear and experience thrill because we had already came to know it's an thrill experience, unlimited thrill, because and excitement is there, and entertainment and adventure. These sports help to develop our self confidence. To nature bonding with nature, most of the adventure sports are outdoor activities, as we all know, which give participation an ample opportunity to experience in its best form. As we know, students, that nature bonding with nature. When we will be in the nature, in natural world, in a nature, suppose in a forest, we bond ourselves with forest, different kind of trees, birds, and animals. To encourage creativity, to encourage creativity in participants is another significant objective of adventure sports. We get a chance to be creative and innovative, finding our own ways to solve the problem, to develop mental and physical fitness, to develop mental and physical fitness, to develop mental and physical fitness. It is also important objective of adventure sport. Such sports involve extreme fitness skills, For example, climbing mountains, we required the use of all major muscles group as well as mental sharpness. That's why it is very important to improve social relation. How we can improve social relation with nature? Social relation among the participants is another objective of adventure sports. Most of the sports such as hiking, trekking, camping, mountain mountaineering, river rafting, and rock climbing provides an ample opportunity to form social relation. While we are students, while we are doing, suppose we are hiking or trekking while going through the forest, we find many things and we talk to others. We watch the beauty and the beautiful sceneries of forest. We share our views with others. Okay. The participation in the above mentioned sports quality like cooperation, sympathy, helping tendency, adjustment, group unity, patience, fraternity, and tolerance are developed. Tolerance, these are the qualities to, and we improve our social relation. With that, the qualities like cooperation, one of the important, patience, and group unity, sincerity, these are the quality we develop. Now our next heading is types of adventure sports. Type of There are various type of adventure sports as we had already came to know. The first one is rock climbing. The first one is rock climbing. Rock climbing is one of the most dangerous sports activity which requires a strong mental control, agility, flexibility, endurance, and various coordinative abilities. Students, what are coordinative abilities? We are coordinating with our hands, with our legs, and focusing, or we can say we are involving all the body parts to climb rock. Abilities, for example, balancing, coordination, reaction, rhythm, and ability, because we are using the whole body for climbing rock. It is an activity in which participants climb on natural rock formation, or we can do in artificial also. Nowadays students, we are having artificial rock walls also. What is the goal of artificial rock wall? Goal is to reach the apex or summit of a formation. One of the important type of adventure sports is rock climbing. Nowadays we are having, now there is a boom in this industry also, and as we are living just nearby nature, we can see, students, if you had gone for a river rafting in Rishikesh, we can get a chance, and it is just nearby also. If you want to enjoy adventure sports, river rafting. Later on, we will study about river rafting. Mountaineering is there, trekking is there, rock climbing is there, and in Uttarakhand, we are having many opportunities for adventure sports.